up, YouTube? It's your girl Sonya Lauren, and I am back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how I made money through Amazon's affiliate program, and I am also going to be telling y'all how you can make money too, okay? No gatekeeping over here. I will also explain what even is Amazon affiliate program and exactly how much money I made. So if you guys are interested, let's get right into the video right now. First and foremost, what is Amazon's affiliate program anyway? Like, before I can tell you guys how much money I made and how I made it, we need to know what it is, right? Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all. Amazon affiliate is one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. The Amazon Associates programs helps content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their traffic. With millions of products and programs available on Amazon, associates use easy link building tools to direct their audience to their recommendations and earn from qualifying purchases and programs. We know that Amazon is the largest online retailer. They have over 12 million products and sells an average of $17 million per every hour, resulting in a net revenue of $386 billion in 2020. So if it was $386 billion in 2020, can y'all imagine where it's at now? Whew. However, you could get a piece of the pie too, honey. Affiliate marketers make up around 45% of Amazon's market store. And guess what? Signing up for the program is completely free for everybody. You don't have to have a certain amount of followers or anything. So y'all probably like, that sounds good and all, but how does it actually work? And I understand, so I'm gonna tell y'all. So it's important to note that there is a lot of different ways you can make money through Amazon affiliate, but I'm only gonna tell y'all how I made money the way I did. So the first thing I did was I went to this link and I signed up. Super simple. Click the link, signed up. Then I customized my Amazon storefront. So I added a photo, I added a nice little description, test the water so you don't have to, and I created something called an idea list. So y'all probably like, what is an idea list? An idea list is basically items that I bought off Amazon and I tested to see if I liked, and if I liked them, I add them to different lists on the Amazon affiliate site, okay? And basically, I'll give you guys an example. I do my own nails, right? So I have a list called Nails on a Budget, and it's all the nail supplies that I bought from Amazon that I tried out that I know works, and I listed it in that list. So now when you click my Amazon storefront, which will also be in the description box, you can go on there and see Nails on a Budget, and you can buy the same products that I did, okay? The next step is, once you create your Amazon storefront and you create something called an idea list, the next thing to do is to take that link that Amazon generates for you, and you want to place that link in your YouTube videos, on your Instagram, on Facebook, wherever you want people to be able to click the link, you want to place it there. So I give you guys an example. This is how it works. If I make a video about how to apply Gel X nails, and I mention items that you can buy off Amazon in the video, I place my Amazon storefront link, also known as my affiliate link, in the description box of that video. And what happens is, people who tune into the video can go and click that link, and when they click that link, they are able to purchase the items that I talked about in the video. Okay, so let's go back to the idea list. They will go to Nails on a Budget idea list on my Amazon storefront, and they will be able to purchase the exact same items that I recommended in the video. Once they purchase those items, I get a commission, okay? And obviously, the more followers you have, the more of a following you have, the more successful you will be with this. But it's definitely a great way to make extra money on the side. Now, note that the commission ranges from 1 to 20% depending on the product category. Okay, so if you're recommending hair items, is going to be a different commission rate that you get compared to, I don't know, automotive items or something like that. But yeah, it's money to be made out here for sure. Another thing I can say is, it don't just have to be YouTube. You can also make money by placing that link on your TikTok page, on your Instagram page. Get a link tree where you can have multiple links and make sure your Amazon storefront is on your link tree. But there's like so many different ways to do it. Like I said, I'm only telling y'all how I did it. Hey, if you reached this far in my video, you might as well click the subscribe button, because obviously you like what you are seeing, and give me a big old thumbs up, because I guess it tells YouTube that you rock with me, and I need them to know that. So love y'all. Let's see how much I made. So I know y'all want to know, how much money did you make, Sonya? I do want to say this. I've had my account since 2020, and I will show you guys the breakdown of how I made this money. But I haven't been consistent with trying to make money. So as I've been saying in like every video where I'm teaching you guys how to make money, is to be consistent. Because if you're not consistent, it's going to take you longer to get to where you need to go. All right, so it's kind of just like YouTube, and I could be wrong about this. Somebody comment below if you've made money too from Amazon affiliate program. But it's kind of like YouTube, where you have to reach a $100 threshold. So I had my account since 2020. Haven't really been caring about it. Just whatever, extra stream of income. And I made, let me show y'all. Let's see if it'll focus. There it is. I made $86.67. So Amazon has to get their little cut too, right? Which is cool, like whatever. Amazon got to get their little cut too. But I made $86.67, y'all, which is better than not making anything. And the money came out of nowhere at a time where I needed it the most. I was like, wow, God, that's how you do? Cool. But anyway, y'all, that's how much money I made. And like I said, you got to reach that $100 threshold. I'm pretty sure Amazon get their little cut too, and that's why it was not 100 but 86. I will show you guys a breakdown of how I made this money since 2020. That'll be up on the screen about now. This is an easy way to make some extra money on the side. So definitely look into it if you want to make some extra money. It's not strenuous, but it does take consistency, like everything else that I've been telling you guys. Make sure you are consistent. And if I can do it, I know for sure you can do it too. Let's make this money together. Like, there's just so many ways to make an extra stream of income nowadays. We really can't complain. Like, with technology, with the internet, with online, it's just so many ways to make that money. So if you guys are like me and you're interested in making that money, be sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Okay, let's get it. Let's go. Let's do it together. And yeah, let's get to the money. Be sure to cherish your body, love your skin, because baby girl, that is where it all begins. And fitness is a lifestyle, but body positivity is an attitude. Love yourself, and I will see you guys in my next video.